Hey guys, have you heard of clean fasting and dirty fasting? Well, in this video, I am going to go over what it means to do a dirty fast versus a clean fast. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamisi Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back, extraordinary people. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. Thank you for all your support. Today we're going to talk about intermittent fasting, dirty fast versus clean fast. And so basically, let me just give you a little bit of background on me. I've been intermittent fasting now for approximately 2 years, maybe a little bit longer, but approximately 2 years. I first started out with 16 and 8 intermittent fasting. Let's back up a little bit. So fasting pretty much is not eating at all or modifying your eating habits to 500 calories and below, or just intermittent fasting, which is putting a time frame on when you eat. So I started out with a 16-8 intermittent fasting program. So I started off with that, and initially when I started out, I did it because my cholesterol level was really high, and I wanted to lose a little bit of weight at the same time, and I wanted to see if it would work for me, and it absolutely does work for me. I love it. It's my lifestyle. Now I do 1 meal a day, or I transfer to 1 meal a day, and then I kind of spread that out to now I do 20 and 4, which means I fast for 20 hours of the day, and then I open my window for 4 hours. That is a whole lot better for me than eating in 1 hour. It just fits my lifestyle a whole lot better. I don't feel like I'm so constrained with it. But really today, and I also pretty much lost about 25 pounds, and I've kept it off completely. And I probably could lose more weight, but I don't want to lose any more weight. But today I want to talk to you about a dirty fast versus a clean fast. When I first started intermittent fasting, I didn't know much about it, but I did know I wanted to try it. And the reasons why I wanted to try it was because all the benefits of intermittent fasting, especially in females, and females that are over the age of 40, 45, in their 50s. And I wanted to try it to see if it would work for me, because so many things do work for me, but I needed something that was something realistic that I could really do every day. So I started intermittent fasting. And when I started intermittent fasting, I didn't do that much research. I just knew that I had to not eat between these certain hours. So when I first started off intermittent fasting, I did not know that I was doing a dirty fast, which basically means that I was still drinking my coffee with cream and sugar. Who knew? So I didn't know, but it has worked for me. It's also, if you drink flavored drinks, sodas, teas, or whatever without the sugar, is considered dirty fasting throughout the day. Now, I only drink 1 cup of coffee a day. And that is one of the things that I was not willing to let go. I just knew that I couldn't do a lifestyle without coffee, because I really enjoy my coffee. So basically, the whole time I've been doing dirty fasting, I didn't even know. So clean fasting is when you completely do not add any sugar. You can only have coffee that's black. You can have unsweet tea and herbal tea, and you can have water, and that's pretty much it. That's considered a clean fast, and you're not eating until it's time for you to eat. But honestly, people swear by the clean fast. It works for them, and it probably would work for anyone who did it. But for me, it just does not fit in my lifestyle, because I really like coffee, and I was not willing to let that go. So a dirty fast pretty much is having some type of beverage that might be a Diet Coke or coffee with cream with a little bit of sugar, and then you continue to do your regular fast. So what mine looks like pretty much for the day, when I wake up, I normally drink about 20 ounces of water, and then I follow that with my coffee. And then I don't eat until it's time for me to eat. And normally the coffee that I do have, I might have half a cup. I might drink the whole cup. But I just wanted to say that it has not impeded any of my weight loss. It hasn't impeded my cholesterol levels dropping. It hasn't impeded the way I feel, my energy level. I don't feel any type of spikes in my insulin or sugar or anything like that. So a dirty fast is when you have coffee with cream and a little bit of sugar. And then a clean fast is if you have black coffee, water, and unsweet tea, herbal tea. So that's the only difference, guys. I hope that answers that for you. But I do want to just know, I want you to know that it does not affect your weight loss. And I'm telling you, I have so much clarity. I get so much work done. I have taught this way of life to so many of my clients, my patients, and I'm telling you, it has worked for me and it will work for you. What I don't want you to do, I don't want you to approach intermittent fasting as if it is a bad thing or if it's constricting, because if you feel like anything is constricting or will constrict you from your normal lifestyle or how you want to live, you won't stick to it. And I believe the only reason why I've stuck with intermittent fasting the way that I have is because I allow myself to have my coffee. And another thing too, when I do eat my one meal for the day, I allow myself to eat what I want to eat. I am not eating bird food. I'm not eating just salad and nothing else, or salad and a lean meat and vegetable. Now, normally I'm pretty good, but I don't look at it that way. I feel like if I am going to wait and only eat one meal a day, that one meal that I'm going to eat is going to be something that I eat. Now, will I get all my nutrition when I do that? I'm not exactly sure, but I do take tons of vitamins. I have some vitamin videos and what I do for my vitamin regime on my channel, so you can check that out. But when you start doing anything like fasting, please know that you want to be sure that you're trying to change your lifestyle and not just a fad thing. It does work for a fad also, but it has changed my life. It has changed my lifestyle completely. I love it. So what I am doing now for the next 72 hours, I am doing a dirty 3-day water fast. So a dirty 3-day water fast pretty much is what I want to, the reason why I'm doing it, let me tell you why I'm doing it. The reason why I'm doing it is because I notice I have a lot of aches and pains in my shoulders. And when I notice that I'm having that, I normally try to make my body go into autophagy so that my body starts to repair itself. And I've used that so many times throughout the year, and it works wonders. Now, water fasting and just water, let me tell you, it is hard. This is day 1 for me. I am going to do 72 hours, so it's Monday, and I'll eat again on Thursday. Anyway, I can do it. So when I do that, I do add my magic weight loss drink, and not because I'm trying to lose weight, but because it just really cuts my appetite like crazy. So that's apple cider vinegar and stuff like that, and I will put a link to that in the video somewhere or down below so you guys can see that. But I am doing the 3-day water fast, 3-day dirty water fast, and that is what I'm doing. And I just figured I'd give you guys an update on my intermittent fasting. I still love it. I like it. It's been great for me. So that is all. Thank you, lovely people, for stopping by and listening to my video on dirty fast versus clean fast. And what I'll be doing the next few days, I'll keep you guys updated, okay? All right, guys. Thanks for watching and take care. Oh, hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you want to talk about in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. You guys have a great day. Take care, guys.